In this video, we'll guide you through how to disable the automatic gain control feature on Discord for a more controlled audio experience. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. First, open the Discord app and ensure you're logged in. Head to the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Tap on it. Once in the profile menu, look for the settings icon in the top right corner and tap it to access the settings menu. Now, scroll down until you locate the voice option, then select it to enter your voice settings. Inside the voice settings, scroll until you find the automatic gain control feature, which is typically enabled by default. To turn it off, simply tap on the automatic gain control option. This will disable the feature, allowing you to have consistent volume without automatic adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off automatic gain control on Discord. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.